Argentinian customers are welcome to visit EagerLED's LED screen showroom and aging workshop. In the showroom, you will be able to experience our latest LED screen products for yourself. Afterwards, we will take you to visit our LED screen aging workshop. Here, you will learn about our quality and stability testing process for LED screen products. Through aging testing, we are able to ensure the long-term stability and durability of our products. You will have the opportunity to see firsthand the operation of LED screens under different environmental conditions, as well as our strict quality control processes. If you have any questions or needs, please feel free to ask our staff, and we will be happy to provide you with support and answers.